Mission Indian grocery shopping. Over and out. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka. As you guys know, I keep covering and talking about different deals and finds and interesting stuff about Oslo. Today as well, I'm going to talk about something really nice and cool, interesting. But before beginning that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because if you want more of this cool, interesting content, you have to like and subscribe to my channel. So now let's begin with today's discussion. Today I'm going to shop at this place called Deva Gruppen. Deva Gruppen is an Indian grocery store, and it is my favorite store in entire Oslo. I usually come here once a month, and when I come here I shop in like bulk. So I'm going to show you this place inside, but before that, how did I get here? Let's address that. Well, it's located in Okern Vine 47. Well, I took the T-Bane from Centrum, T-Bane number 5 towards Wesley, and I got down at Okern. There's another way of getting here via bus. You can take bus number 23 or bus number 28. So let's not waste any further time and get started in our Indian grocery shopping. Let's go. As you enter Deva Gruppen, you figure out that it's a massive store, and the first thing that catches your eye is Haldirams. They have a huge variety of Haldiram snacks. I've been to several Asian grocery stores all across Oslo, but never have I found this huge variety of snacks and brands at best possible prices under one roof. Here you will also find worship items for special occasions and festivals, which you might not find anywhere else in Oslo. Be it Morocco, Save or Chivra, if you want to buy snacks from Maharashtra or Gujarat, you're well covered at Deva Gruppen. South India is also well represented at Deva Gruppen, because right from idli mixture to vada to dosa mixture, there's a huge variety for South Indian snacks as well. I have a weakness for khakra, so I grabbed it immediately. At their Indo-Chinese segment, you'll find some of your favorite Indo-Chinese food brands like Ching's. Cult biscuit brand Parle G is also available at Deva Gruppen. Yummy biscuits like Bourbon, Mill Bickies, Hide and Seek, Crack Jack, Britannia Good Day, oh my god, so much more is available at Deva Gruppen. As you guys can see, I'm inside Deva Gruppen and I have started shopping, and I don't want to stop. I have shopped for the leading brands like Haldirams, Kemcho, Britannia, all kinds of Indian snacks and groceries. This place is your one-stop solution. As you guys can see, I have a cart with me, and right now it's filled with Indian snacks and stuff that I don't get in any other part of Oslo. I have Ching's noodles, I have Kemcho Morocco, I have banana chips, I have Punjabi tadka snacks. I have my old favorite bourbon biscuits, Britannia bourbon biscuits. I have khakra. I even have sabudana khichdi mix. So this is only halfway through my shopping. I'm not done yet. I'm gonna shop more. They also have a frozen food and sweet section that I'm gonna explore, and I'll show you around what it has, and I'll shop more. So come with me. There are different kinds of paranthas, Haldiram paranthas, ready to eat. And I'm gonna pick something for myself. They have aloo parantha. Oh my god, there's so much, I don't know what to eat. What do I pick? Let's pick up methi parantha. Yep. I give you one methi parantha. Okay, let's pick methi parantha. They have methi parantha, they have aloo parantha, they have tandoori roti, tandoori stuff. They have tandoori naan. I see tandoori naan. Okay. Dun, opening the Pandora's box. Home style parantha, minute maid, tandoori naan, mixed veg parantha. Now I'm confused. Should I take this or should I take methi parantha? This is my favorite section. Pav bhaji. When I say pav, you say bhaji. Pav bhaji, pav bhaji. Do you want idli? Let's take idli. Okay, I've eaten this before and we loved the dhokla. I'm definitely going to pick dhokla again. Okay, let's try Punjabi samosa. Okay, there's aloo tikki, there's matar kachori, there's chole chawal, there's matar kachori. Okay, sabudana tikki. I took sabudana tikki and I liked it. So we're gonna pick it again. Sabudana tikki.
Ready to eat, right?
This is all ready to eat. They all also have palak paneer, they have aloo tikki, paneer, makhni, yellow dal.
We have to buy paneer as well.
Yes, let's go and buy paneer. So one product from Devagrupan I can personally recommend that you will never find this kind of paneer in the entire city. Devagrupan has the best paneer and I especially come down to Devagrupan to buy paneer. So if you're looking for paneer, buy it from Devagrupan. If you have a sweet tooth, then right from Panjiri Laddu to Besan Laddu, Son Papdi and so much more, you will find all kinds of Haldiram sweets out here. If you're looking for tea time snacks, then all kind of Zeera puffs, whole grain puffs and matthis you will find at Devagrupan. You'll also find ready to eat meals for those tired nights when you don't want to cook. I was looking for Pani Puri last time when I came here. It was sold out and today I am so glad, I'm so happy I found this. I'm going to buy Pani Puri and I'm going to eat it after a year. When I was flying to Oslo in my first journey, I got with me, a dozen pack of these, and I used them in, making fried rice, chicken fried rice. But after a point, I ran out of it, and I was looking for this particular masala all over Oslo. I couldn't find it, and thankfully, ever since I have, visited Devagrupan and I found it out here, I can't tell you how happy I am because now I can buy it, without having the scarcity mentality that I will run out of it, because I know it is available here and I can any day, anytime visit this place and buy chicken chili masala for my fried rice. I got this last time. I have never tried this brand Kencho, but I can't tell you how happy I was after buying this brand. It's called Kencho Dry Masala Bhakdi. I had it with pickle and it was delicious. So this time around I'm gonna again buy this and I'll recommend you guys to try this dry masala bhakri.
Isn't the pickle with it, like inside
Yes,
it?
it's inside it. Personal care products from Himalaya are also available. So this is a really nice interesting product that I will recommend you guys to buy. This is Grenar's Masala Chai Instant Tea Premix with Spices. So basically what we do with chai is that every day we get up, we have to boil the water, we have to mix the tea, we have to mix the extra spices and the tea powder. In this everything is pre-mixed. All you need to do is just boil the water in the morning, because my husband gets up in the morning and every day he has to make chai and tea, otherwise his day doesn't start. For him and people like my husband who love tea and who want to drink tea every morning, this is a great alternative. All you need to do is open the premix pack and mix it in hot water. It has everything, all the spices, it has all the milk and the tea powder. Just stir it up and you're good. So you even get basmati rice and Sona Masuri rice of different brands, right from Indian Zone to India Gate brand. You get really good quality rice at Deva Group. I usually eat Sona Masuri rice for my everyday meals, and on special occasions I eat basmati. So I'm gonna pick Sona Masuri rice. If you're a pickle lover like me, then you can find pickles and achars specially imported from India. At Deva Group, you even get fresh vegetables. There's a fresh vegetables counter inside on the ground floor. So let's come with me and let's check out what all vegetables do we get. As you guys can see, I have shopped to my heart's content. I have 2 carts filled with food. There's snacks, there's groceries, there's frozen food, there's vegetables, anything and everything, because this store is massive. I will definitely recommend you guys to shop at Deva Group. I was confused what to buy because this store is massive. You've got so much variety, so many good brands and such good quality that is directly sourced from India that I couldn't stop myself from buying. As you can already see, I have 2 carts there. I'm going to the counter to get it billed. So let's go. Well, you guys can see I have shopped a lot. When I say lot, I mean a lot. And my bill was only 1100. I was expecting a lot more. So that itself shows that Deva Groupin is value for money. So I will highly recommend you guys to visit Deva Groupin, because the thing is, Deva Groupin has products from all over India. Each and every part of the country will find something for itself. And they also have an online store. You can check out the online store. I will leave a link in the screen to check out that store. So I had a great shopping experience. I spent a couple of hours here and I am going home now. So that's all for today. If you like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. This is Priyanka signing off. Until my next video, bye bye.